Hi everyone, in front of me I've got NUBIA Air, and let me share with you how to turn off running apps on this device. So first of all, we have to open the recents, and depending on what kind of navigation type you've got set, you can do it differently. If you've got the 3 buttons navigation, simply tap on the button with a square icon or 3 bars icon, and if you've got the gesture, swipe your finger from the bottom to the center of your device and hold it somewhere here, something like that. After releasing, here we've got the recents. If you wish, you can close them one by one manually just by swiping them up. However, if you've got a lot of apps opened, I highly recommend simply tapping on this X button at the bottom. Here we've got the information, so we can open the recents to check. And here we've got no recent items. As you can see, we've got this information, which means that we just successfully closed all background apps. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.